Now I am going to explain the problem based on refraction through spherical surface. Now here what they gave in the question, an air bubble in the glass, okay, is situated at a distance 3 cm from the convex surface of diameter 10 cm as shown in the figure. At what distance from the surface bubble will appears? Okay, I will explain the figure they gave in the question, and the question is that here there is a person, the person is looking from the convex surface, and this is a convex surface. Okay, you see here, this is the convex spherical surface, this is the convex shaped spherical surface. Now the object O, this is made with the glass, convex surface, this is made with the glass, this is totally glass, okay, and inside the glass there is a bubble. This is the at O is an object, okay, this is a bubble, this blue color one is the bubble, okay, blue color dot is the bubble, and O is an object, and C is the center of curvature of this spherical surface, and from the object O light ray starts and it bends away from the normal. The line joining the center of curvature and point on the sphere gives the normal. This is the straight line is the normal run, and light cannot travel in the straight line, it will bend away from the normal. That's why instead of going in the straight, it can bend away from the normal. Look here, it is bending like this. This is the actual path. This is actual path of light ray, incident light ray, but it is moving from denser medium to rarer medium. That's why it will bend away from the normal. And now this is the refracted light ray, and when the refracted light ray is extended back, then it is meeting at one point on the principal axis, that is I, okay. That means when any person, if he sees the bubble object in the glass, that appears at O. O is an object, original location of the object, but that object appears at I because of refraction, okay. And now in the question, the air bubble is in the glass, right, and the first medium refractive index, the light is moving from denser medium to rarer medium. The first medium refractive index is 1.5, okay, and the second medium refractive index is the air, that is 1, and the object is at what distance in the figure? Object is at minus 3 centimeters, because it is the left side of the pole, that's why we have to take minus, and the image distance we have to find out, okay. You should not apply the sign convention rule for this. Image distance is the IP, IP is the image distance, okay. This is the image distance because I is the image. In this, O is the object and I is the image in the figure, okay, right. P is the pole, P is the pole, and now image distance we have to find out. The radius of air bubble is situated at a distance 3 centimeters. Air bubble is the object now, okay. Object is air bubble, that is situated at 3 centimeters from the pole, and that convex surface has the diameter 10 centimeters. The diameter of the convex surface, this convex surface is a part of a sphere. That convex surface diameter they gave is 10 centimeters. That means radius of curvature will become 5 centimeters. That is the distance of center of curvature from the pole. This is the C. To P is called as radius of curvature. That radius of curvature is CP. That is left side. That's why we have to take minus 5 centimeters. Then we have to write these all values in general equation for the refraction through the spherical surface. That is minus nu1 by U plus nu2 by V is equal to nu2 minus nu1 by R. This formula is applicable when the refraction occurs through the spherical surface. In this, while deriving this formula, now object we took in the nu1 medium, nu1 is the refractive index of the first medium, nu2 is the refractive index of the second medium, u is the object distance, v is the image distance. Now we substitute all values in this, that is nu1 is the minus 1.5 by u is minus 3 plus nu2 is 1 by v value we have to find out, that is nu2 minus nu1 is 1 minus 1.5 by r value is minus 5 centimeters. This will can cancel, 3 5 ja, then we will get as 0.5. On the left side we will get as 0.5 plus 1 by v. On the right side 1 minus 0.5 is minus 0.5. Next, look at here, I want to find out the 1 by v value, that is we will get as minus 0.5 by something is there, that is minus 5. We have to simplify this, that is we will get as 0.1 we will get, then 1 by v is equal to what you will get it here, minus minus also gets cancelled, right, this minus also gets cancelled. Finally it will remains 1.1 minus 0.4, sorry 0.5, and 1 by v value we will get as minus 0.4. From this, if you find out the v value, we will get as minus 1 by 0.4, minus 1 by 0.4, this is nothing but minus 10 by 4, that is nothing but minus 2.5 centimeters. This is answer. The finally image distance is minus 2.5 centimeters. Okay, this is the solution. That means if object is in at 5 centimeters in denser medium, for example, this is the explanation I will give. For example, this is a glass rod. We have a glass rod. Here there is a one air bubble. Okay, this air bubble is at 5 centimeters from the surface, and this air bubble we are observing from here. And when this air bubble is, this is an object, and this air bubble image appears at somewhere here. That means the image distance, if object distance is 3 centimeters, now object distance is not 5 centimeters, object is a air bubble that is located in the glass, and then its image will appears at a distance that is 2.5 centimeters. That means if object is in denser medium and here that is in the glass medium, and observer is in the rarer medium, and if we observe that one, the objects appears nearer than their actual position. That means now real distance of the object is 3 centimeters, but when we observe from air medium and it is appearing at 2.5 centimeters. Okay, this is the explanation for this problem. Let us go for the one more problem based on the refraction through the spherical surface. One end of the cylindrical glass, okay, this is the cylindrical glass, this is the glass, cylindrical glass. One end of the cylindrical glass is in concave shape. This is the concave shape. Refracting surface. Its radius is 10 centimeters. If you form a sphere by using this, then its radius is this one. Center of curvature is the right side. C is the center of curvature. Right? Center of curvature is on the right side. You see the figure. And now you draw a line which joins the center of curvature and point on the sphere. This one will become the normal. This is the normal drawn. You see here, this is the normal. Okay. Right. Normal means it is a line. It is a line, okay, which joins the one point on the mirror and center of curvature. This is the normal run. And then after that, object O is located here. You see here an air bubble. This is the air bubble. Okay, you see here, this is the air bubble. Air bubble is located at what distance? Situated in the glass rod at a point on its axis such that it appears at a distance 10 centimeters from the surface. This is situated in the air bubble is situated in the glass, but that is appears at 10 centimeters. That appears at 10 centimeters from the surface. We are observing this air bubble O. Okay, O is an air bubble. O is an air bubble that we are observing. Okay, and from the outside, from somewhere here we are observing. When we observe this one, this air bubble image appears at 10 centimeters. That means the image distance they gave, that is 10 centimeters from the surface inside the glass when the seen from the other medium. Actually, this is the glass. In the glass medium, air bubble is there. That means air bubble is the object that is in the denser medium. When we observe from rarer medium, from the outside of the glass rod, and then that air bubble appears near than the actual position. That means in the question what they gave, what they are asking, find the actual location of the bubble actual location we have to find out. Now the here object is O, and the light ray blue light ray started from the object, and it will be refracted and it will goes like that. And when we extend this refracted light ray backward, it will meet at one point on the axis, that is I. At that point image will appears. That image distance from the pole is B. That is image appears when we observe from outside. The image appears at 10 centimeters from the mirror that they gave in the question. That's well we have to take according to sign convention. Okay, you must apply the sign convention. Okay, you must apply the sign convention rule. Now according to sign convention, what we write here? According to sign convention, object distance we have to take as, we don't know the object distance, original position of the object we have to find out, and the image of the air bubble which is in the glass appears at 10 centimeter distance when we observe from other surface. And the refractive index of the first medium where the light ray started, that is the 1.5, and refractive index of the second medium is the air medium, that is 1. This is the new one is the 1.5, and the new 2 is the air medium, that is 1. And the question is this one. The radius of curvature also they gave in the question. The radius of curvature is the right side distance, because the center of for the concave center of curvature is the right side. That's why radius of curvature we have to take positive. That is the radius of curvature value they gave as in the question 10 centimeters. You write here it is plus 10 centimeters. Plus we have to write. R is equal to plus 10 centimeters we have to write. And now we have to substitute the values, all the values in the formula that you know very well, that is minus nu1 by u plus nu2 by v is equal to nu2 minus nu1 by r. This is the formula that you have to apply. By using this you find the v value and write its answer in the comment box. Now we are going to discuss one more problem, and I will give the one homework for you, you try for them. And in the concept what we discussed, in the concept object is in the air medium and image in the denser medium, that we discussed. But in the problems we are discussing, that is object is in the denser medium and image also in the denser medium. It is a different situation, but the formula that we derived for the refraction through spherical surface, that will be applied for all types of spherical surfaces. Okay, and the next let us go for the one more problem, one homework I will give you, you solve it. I am going to erase. Okay, look at this. Light from a point source, this is the homework for you. Light from a point source in air falls on a spherical surface. Light from a point source, there is a one point source, from that light will starts, and that is in air. That means the object is in air, right? It is incident on a spherical surface, that is the refractive index is 1.5 and the radius of curvature is 20 centimeters. The distance of the light source from the glass surface is 100 centimeters, at what position image forms? We have to find out the image position. Okay, image position in the glass, and its answer is, you should get the answer as 100 centimeters. Whether you got or not, you can tell me. Do it and send the solution. Do it and draw the neat diagram with the help of node diagram. Okay, you also draw the neat diagram. Do the solution. Okay, draw neat diagram for this.